everyone. Welcome to episode number 18 of the PowerPlatform digital series. My name is Ron, and this month we continue to be in the month of celebration and holidays for us here in Canada. So we're continuing to celebrate our customer success, and the session that we're highlighting is the real world story of London Heathrow and their adoption of the Power Platform into the organization. And I continue to have our special guest with us, Samit Saini from London Airport. So Samit, over to you.
Hi everyone, my name is Samit Saini. I work for London Heathrow Airport. I'm the IT adoption specialist.
And hey everyone, this is Nelson Lopez, Partner Technology Architect for Dynamics 365 CRM for Microsoft Canada. Dialing in from Hallandale Beach, Florida. Samit, it's so great to be with you again. We spoke briefly last week, and I was really surprised by one of the things that you mentioned was how vibrant the user group community is out there for PowerApps. There's so much excitement out there, and like people are just so willing to kind of help each other out and like just learn the application. And I know that you've benefited from it and you've also helped others, but I was wondering if you could talk maybe a little bit about that, kind of that user group community with the forums and all the different resources out there.
Absolutely. Like my aim is to make people feel how I feel when I create an app. And that's the main thing, it makes me feel smart when I create an app. And so we've got so many talented people out there that have so many ideas, so many scenarios that they can build apps, and they don't have to go to someone in IT now. They can go and build the tools themselves, the apps themselves, the license. They've got the ability to do it now. We've got a license to do those kind of things. So it's great to have a community now. We have people who have so many ideas to say, I want to create an app, or I have an idea for an app, how do I start? And this is where the community comes in, because we have a monthly meeting sometimes where we go in and say, guys, what are your ideas? What are the roadblocks? Or what are you trying to create? And the great thing about having a community is that one person can create an app that could benefit everyone else. So you're not duplicating the same app over and over again. And we have a lot of scenarios like that as well. And what I love about this community is they're willing to share. This is how I created it. This is how you could do it too. Or I'm kind of stuck at this area. Is there anybody else who could help us? And this, it's there. And the community is growing more and more every day and every month. And not because of me. It's because of the community itself and the people that support it. We have people who are like Brian Dan, who's videoed us and said, look, guys, this is what we can create. This is what information is out there. And the biggest thing is that because people like someone like me who don't have a degree in IT or who's building apps, they can see that they can build apps too.
Terrific.
And that's
amazing. Awesome. Thanks, Samit. Thanks, Nelson. Guys, please go and watch the full session. The link is right below this post. So until the next episode, thanks for watching, and see you soon.
Thank you.